I've very carefully curated that group. Between LinkedIn and YouTube, I've turned down over 50% of the people that have wanted to be part of that group. Our group would be twice the size that it is right now if I let everybody in. And it wouldn't be as valuable, right, if I just let everybody and their mom in.
They have 130 students that they could fill in that they're leaving on the table. Do you know how much that is? Do you know how I did the math? It was $2.6 million. $2.6 million that they're leaving on the table by not filling. That's why it's so important to ask your client, how much is one customer? What's your average customer value? What's one customer worth to you?
Would 10% be fair? 260 grand? Would you pay that to solve that problem? An extra
We're gonna find out. My next step is creating a strategy.
Yeah.
So just like Adrian was saying, he sells the strategy. Like that's the most important part, because cool, you can make a design. Well, is that gonna fix their problem?
Yeah.
If you sell it to them that it's going to fix their problem, and you show them it's going to fix their problem and how it's going to fix their problem, that design or that video has just become so much more worth it. They can actually see what they're investing into.
All right, so last week I talked about how I started as a graphic designer and how I've shifted my perspective from just being a graphic designer to being a creative consultant. There's a lot that goes to marketing, from content marketing to video marketing to social media marketing to paid ads to SEO. I mean, it's an endless topic. What I've done is I've gone from graphic designer, then I stacked the skill of understanding how to do marketing strategy. This is where I can serve my clients the best, as helping them solve the different problems that they have within their business. A lot of it comes from marketing strategy. 99 out of 100 business owners, it's more like 999 out of 1,000 business owners that I've worked with, don't have a marketing plan. They don't have a real brand strategy. Their messaging and their content and everything that they do sounds like everybody else. They just copy their competitors, change a few things on it, and they think that they're good to go. Just keep showing up for each other, and you've been there for me, I've been there for you. This is the power of relationships, and that's why I called it a network and not just a community, is this the Instagraphics Pro Network, because we really have to come together and help each other and lean on each other, and that's where the real power is going to be found.